Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can change keyboard language on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. The first thing that we need to do is open the settings. In the settings we want to scroll all the way down to find general management, and then let's go there. And then over here we have Samsung keyboard settings. Let's tap this option. At the top we need to select languages and types, and finally over here we have the language options. In order to add a new language we need to go to manage input languages. Then over here we have the list of all available languages. So let's say I want to choose this one. We can tap the slider. Now after you select the language we can go back. Over here we should see the list of all languages that we have added so far. We can reorder them by tapping on these three dots, and then we have reorder option, and we can select which should be the main one. So the first language will be of course used at first, and the others as the next ones if we switch the language in the keyboard. We can also change the keyboard layout by tapping on the language, and then we have different layouts. Alright, so now once we have added the language, let me also show you how we can switch the language. So if we go to, let's say, messages, over here you can see the keyboard, and here we have this icon which you can press in order to switch the language. The language selected is visible on space, so if you switch, you can switch the language. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.